This is an older nuvi 2555, but this also works on the modern nuvi 55 and 65. If you want to see big directions, as in text that is a lot larger, hit this, as in the turn, and it will stay on this screen. And what will happen is that now we got huge text, big directions, and it will show you how much time until the next turn and how much distance until the next turn. Also, when the turn is taken, as it will show in a moment, it will automatically show text for the next direction. And I'll just let it change here, and then I'll continue. There we go, the turn is about to be taken. And there we go, there's the next turn. Now there are a few drawbacks to this. The map does not animate. Your little car, your little vehicle icon will show on screen as you are approaching the turn, but the map does not animate. The map also only shows two-dimensional mode in this view. And the last drawback is that if you are approaching a highway exit, at least in the United States, what will occur is that it will not show this map view, but rather a junction view, where it shows the ramp and little graphic instead of the actual map. Even so, this is still quite a nice feature. So what it is that all you have to do is just when you just hit back if you want to go back. It just up here, just tap it, and it will stay there. Oh yeah, there's a little car again. That's you. And then when it approaches the turn, after the turn is completed, it will show the next direction. Now, for those of you out there that have really old Garmin GPSs, it doesn't work the same as this. What will happen is that you do have this view, but it doesn't stick. It won't stay on the screen like it does on these. So basically, any model made before 2012, 2011 doesn't have it. The feature is there, but it's not done like this. Okay, the turn has been taken. Yep, and there it goes. And now it's showing the final turn to the destination with the checkered flag. Anyway, chances are you're probably not using a really old Garmin anyway. You're probably using a modern one, like something from 2016, 2017 or newer, if not a brand new one. But anyway, that is how to do it. And this is especially good for people with 5-inch screen, and this is a 5-inch screen model, the 2555 LMT, which is what you're seeing right now. If most of the time it looks fine, and you say to yourself, I like the screen size, but I sometimes want really big text so I can see this stuff easier, because when you're in this view, yeah, this is pretty big. You can read this and all that, but sometimes up here you want to see it just larger, and that's what this is for. So anyway, kind of a hidden tip. Is this in the manual? No, of course not. You keep messing around with Garmin's, you keep finding things that they didn't document, and this is one of them. So again, pretty much any nuvi or DriveSmart from 2012 on, it's got it.